What is SILA? Is it discipline or is it moral?
And what are the benefits that we can gain applying SILA our day-to-day life? As we know, there are 3 activities that Buddha introduced for us to practice as Buddhist follower. Practicing generosity, observing precepts, and meditation. These are the 3 activities. So then what is SILA? There is a stanza that delivered by the Buddha, Sabbada Sila Sampanno Panyama Susamahito Aradha Viryo Vihitato Gantarthi Duttaranti. Sabbada Sila Sampanno, each and every moment you should be observe precepts. Precepts not just regarding particular time length, precepts forever. Each and every moment you should connect with that precepts. According to the Buddhist explanation, there are 5 precepts, 8 precepts, 10 precepts, monastic precepts, and Upasampada precepts, something like that. There are few categories. Whatever the categories are there, all these categories, different explanations have same meaning. What is that? Discipline. Discipline. What kind of discipline is? Is that just regarding your bodily discipline, your discipline of your behavior? No. Disciplines means very important thing. The Buddha said, Arogya Parama Labha. The greatest gain that you can achieve is your health. What kind of health is there that Buddha meant? Buddha mentioned about mental health particularly, not just regarding the physical body. So, mental health means you can live without stress. You can live without fear and doubt. So, fear and doubt is the main reason, main cause for stress. When you are living with stress, you are not able to be happy. When you are living with stress, you may not be able to follow your goals, to achieve that goals, it's impossible. You are living with the stress, your desire, your positive energy is not there. Your desire is increasing there, your negative thoughts would be there. So therefore, stress is something that we have to manage. To manage stress, we need discipline. So therefore, the Buddha introduced precepts for what? To develop our inner health, mental health. How? We can see the way how increase our stress. When someone break any precepts, they increase their unhappiness, they increase their stress, they increase their anxiety, they can be depressed because of their actions. For example, there is a story in Buddhist literature. What is that story? There was a farmer who was cultivating many produce, and one day he was able to see the ripe enough fruits from his ash melon. He has a vine of ash melons. That vine of ash melons given many fruits. That one was, the particular one was get ready to pick it up. So therefore, at that evening, he was thinking himself, okay, tomorrow morning I will come to pick this ash melon. That day morning when he is reaching there, he did not see that ash melon. That fruit has been gone. It means someone had been stolen. So he was very upset because his first harvest was not able to get benefits for himself. He was not able to harvest that because someone had taken that. So he was very upset. He was very smart guy. He wanted to find the person who stole this one. So he started to think, ponder in himself, he found a technique. What was the technique? The bell that he used for his cow, took that bell and went to the place where the people are gathered to find their necessary things, basic things. It might be a store, it might be a city or town. So, taking that bell, he started to ring a bell and make a dance. Now he is dancing there. While he was dancing, people surrounding him. Now people are gathering around him and they were looking at that person, that farmer. He was giving a wonderful dance. He was dancing himself to show a kind of dancing show there for the people. Now people are around in him, and when they focus in really to that person, the farmer, he start to sing a song with his dance. That song, the last sentences was, I can recognize the thief of my ash melon looking the shoulder, looking at shoulder. That was the stanza sentence that he used there in that stanza. So there was a person, he was looking at his shoulder, start to wipe his shoulder. Right away that farmer went to him and caught him, telling, okay, you are the person who took my ash melon. He was the person. How that farmer was able to catch that person? Because of his behavior, his actions. Why he had that kind of behavior and actions? Because of doubt. When he did that stolen things, when he steal things, he has doubt and fear there. These are universal. These are not happening because of Buddhists. These are not happening because of a particular group of people who are living in that particular country. These happen everywhere. Even just think about other domestic living beings like cats, dogs. If they did some mistake, if they not behave well, when their family members are reaching to them, they have different kind of behavior because of their doubt and fear. So therefore, now we can recognize around the world all living beings have doubt and fear if they break any precepts, if they not respect the natural law, if they not respect the universal law. That is the nature, that is the reality, that is the way how you can recognize absolute truth. So therefore, if someone not applying, if someone not respecting this the natural law, they are developing their stress, anxiety. So SILA, the Buddha introduced SILA Patipada, the method of moral, development of their discipline, for to maintain healthy mind, to gain greatest happiness for their self. So we are dealing with our mind. So being observing these precepts, there's opportunity to develop our mental health. That mental health is very important to develop our thinking ability to think deeply, widely, and quickly. Therefore, observing precepts, what you are gaining inner peace, inner health, mental health. That is the purpose of observances of precepts.